Today I'm going to discuss with you legal differences when you are buying property in the DIFC area, which is here, which is the Dubai International Financial Center, vis-a-vis other parts of Dubai which are governed by the Dubai Land Department rules. The first difference is the laws. The laws applicable to DIFC is common law, whereas the law applicable to the other part is civil jurisdiction. So that essentially means when you're going to deal with properties in DIFC, they are being regulated by another kind of a law. They have their own laws, even their own leasings. The second is the transfer price. Now, when property transaction is happening in DIFC, it is 5%, whereas in DLD it is 4%. And the gift transfer, the third difference, which is very important, is that in the gift transactions in Dubai happening in regulated by DLD, Hiva transfer, which is 0.125 to your close family members, whereas in DIFC it will be considered as a standard sale transaction and hence 5% will be applicable. And the last difference, which I feel is very important besides all the other small differences, is the age of the minor. Now, why I say that? Because minor buying and selling rules change. The age of the minor in DIFC is 18 years, whereas in DLD it is 21 years. So you can imagine that there's a lot of difference. Not just overly people buy property, but they should also know the nitty-gritties for sale transactions. Thank you.